And welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be going over everything that I crocheted in April. I think I was getting into a bunch of orders in April. It's July now, so I don't 100% remember what was in it. So we're going to find out together. And I need a Red Bull. Red Bull. So yeah, we're going to find out together. We will start with, I made these possum, which I turned into 2 little possum keychains. They were super cute. I made positive potatoes and emotional support pickles. I think it might have only been 1 positive potato, but I made 8 pickles. I made this guy, he's a Pied Piper, for an order. So you see his full body with his little horn and this shot of his facial hair. I was really proud of his facial hair. That was requested by the customer, and I think I did a banging job. I made a bunch of axolotls. I was market prepping, so I made all 6 of these. Fun fact, the colorful ones actually went before the beige ones. So if you want to know if you should make colored axolotls or not, apparently, or not axolotls, otters. Have I been calling them axolotls that whole time? No, I don't know. It's 9 in the morning, judge me. If you want to know if you should make colored otters, the answer is yes, you should, because people apparently like them. I made a duck. This was a mallard duck. I don't remember whose pattern this is. Maybe Raven and Jade, but don't quote me on it. It must be something similar. But I also, and you won't see this till the July video comes out, just made this duck, which looks very similar. But this is except for the snoot. Well, I guess the bill. This is a Crochet Grove pattern, and I'm going to put some felt eyes on it, and it's cute. This was a gift. It's a Mike Wazowski. I made these chicken wings, and I feel like I did this story before. Did I put this video out already? We're just going with it. If you've already seen this video, let me know down below. I'm pretty sure the last video it said I did for this was everything I crocheted in March. So this should be in April, but now I don't know. But I made these chicken wings that were not actually chicken wings. They were wings for that duck, except I wanted to make 3 different colors of duck, but I forgot what I was doing and made all the wings to match the mallard duck. So I had 2 extra sets of wings. That's why there's 4 nugs here. But I'm what can I use these for? Because I don't want to make a bunch more mallard ducks. So I'm okay, they look like chicken wings. Let me just lean into that. I put a face on them. I pulled out a fry box. I found this little thing online that I duplicated. It was like a food pun something, and it said spread your wings in a fry. And I just basically kind of stole the design of that, but made my own thing in Canva. And I think it came out cute. But I sold this, and I should have given it away. And this is hindsight. I just didn't know. In the moment, But a family came in. It was a grandma, a mom, and then teenage children. And the mom of the group sees this, turns around and bursts into tears. And then the grandma's her son just passed in an accident, but they had a thing with chicken nuggets, an inside joke for the family kind of vibe. So when she's seen that, and mind you, this is something that I normally would not stock. I've done stuff like this here and there, but it's definitely not regular stock at all ever. So it just kind of felt meant to be. So the grandma's I'm gonna go ahead and buy this. And in hindsight, I should have given it to him, because I was only charging 20 bucks. So it's not this was make or break for the market. It's fine. I made these by accident. I would have normally just threw them in a scrap bag, if I didn't think to repurpose them. So but yeah, I was just it was a whole thing. All of us were crying, and it wasn't even 11 in the morning yet. So, but yeah, I will probably never do, I might do a chicken nugget again, a different pattern, but I will never replicate this again and just have that be their special thing. I made this bear. I made these spiders. These are always well received, no matter the time of year. And I don't stock them much, and I should, because they really take less than an hour to make. And people have no problem paying 15, 20 bucks for them, and they really seem to like them. If you're wondering what 30 pot mushrooms look like, I made these over the course of a couple of days. I made all the tops, then made all the bottoms, and then put a face on all of them. I didn't do a mouth, I just did eyes. I don't think the pattern has a mouth. But either way, it was a whole process, but I did make 30 of them, and I still have some in stock now because I did this right before my last either market or 2, but it was nice to have that many ahead of time. Oh, here's the other 2 ducks in the other 2 colors, so you can see their wings are not brown. I thought about keeping their wings brown just because I think that pink it would have looked cute, but I just didn't. I really like this lammy sheep pattern, whoever. It sold pretty much the first or second market I brought it to. Same with at least the mallard duck of the ducks. They sell fast. They're just like cute. So that's going to be everything for April. I guess there was only one order in that. But yeah, it was a busy month. It felt like a busy month. And now I'm gonna film like May and June's version of this video too, because I'm behind, because it is July. So if you like more crochet content, you can check out wherever it is, and goodbye.